How to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on new video button to start editing. And now here on the next page, simply select the first video from your gallery, and after that you can simply tap on add. And once you do that, the video clip will appear on the main timeline. And here, once you have added the main video, what you can do is simply scroll or swipe through the option at the bottom, and there you simply have to tap on the overlay option. And here, once you tap on it, just tap on add overlay, and after that on the next page simply select your second video, and once you have selected that, you can just tap on add. And once you do that, now both videos will appear on the same screen. So here you can just tap on the overlay video and use your finger to resize or move it as well. And you can place it side by side, top to bottom, or in any custom position for a split screen effect. You can add borders, you can add animations, you can add effects, you can change the speed, you can crop it if you like, and you can choose the resolution and frame rate. And once you're done with that, you can simply export the video as well. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.